What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we finally got some good news, and I know a lot of y'all are tired of not seeing anything positive going on with Shiba Inu right now. So just to brighten up the mood a little bit, let's take a look at this article here. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get into this one. So Shiba Inu is currently hovering around a price cluster that's got everyone talking. Why? Because the cluster holds a staggering 5.5 trillion SHIB tokens. Investors have been gobbling up SHIB at this price level like there's no tomorrow, creating a unique in the money and out the money scenario. For those not in the know, in the money refers to addresses where the current SHIB price is higher than the average cost at which the tokens were bought. So meaning investors that are in the money bought the tokens at a lower price, so now they are in profit. Conversely, out of the money means the current price is lower. This intriguing metrics looks at price clusters within a plus to minus 15% range. So what's the big deal about the $5.5 trillion or 5.5 trillion token cluster? Well, it is a sign that there is minimal resistance ahead. With fewer holders around this price level, SHIB could find it easier to break through and climb higher. Meaning that as we break through this level, it's going to be, as we move through this level, it's going to be easier to break through because there's less people around this range looking to dump their tokens. So the current SHIB price is around 50744. Given the low resistance ahead, this meme coin could very well see a price surge. But remember, the crypto market is unpredictable as it gets, so always expect the unexpected. So just think about that for a second. We've already been trading sideways for a while. We've been consolidating for a minute. After consolidation comes a breakout. Now, usually it can happen to the upside or downside. That's the hard thing to determine. But we know that a breakout is likely to occur. Also, notice how quiet the markets are right now. We are basically where we were yesterday, but we pulled back briefly. Now, a little money is flowing back into the markets. But what I think is, the markets are just exhausting investors, just trying to exhaust as many investors as possible, so that way people get tired, sell their positions, jump out, jump ship, go to another project, or just take their money out of the market. So that way, more whales can accumulate, more smart money can, see what's happening and also start to accumulate. And then we see a major breakout to the upside. So that's what I'm thinking is going to take place, y'all. Not financial advice. Obviously don't have a crystal ball here, but it's just my opinion. So interestingly, the activity of large transactions, often called whale activity, has shot up by an eye-popping 500%. Why do you think whales are buying at a 500% more or 500% increased rate than they were previously? They expect something big is going to happen. They expect to make a profit. Smart money whales, they don't just invest, throw money at a coin just because. There has to be some reason that they see that will give them an idea to put in millions of dollars to know that the price is going to go up. So according to data from Into the Block, usually when whales start making waves during periods of low volatility, it's a sign they are accumulating more of the asset. Could this be the calm before the SHIB storm? In summary, Shiba Inu is at a pivotal point. The 5.5 trillion SHIB cluster and the uptick in whale activity could be precursors to a significant price movement. So y'all heard it here first. Make sure you stay patient, man. I know it gets hard sometimes, especially when nothing is happening, but sometimes you might just have to take a break from the markets. Don't look at it every day. If you can't stand to see it trading sideways and it's hurting you to see the prices down, don't look at it for a week or so. Give it a break. Whether you got to skip 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks, if you want to come back and look at it next month, do so. Don't let crypto or investing just be the only thing you have going on, because I see a lot of people when the markets are down, sometimes that can affect them in their personal lives. And I see people base their lives basically on the market. So if the market is doing good, their lives are doing good at the moment. If the markets are doing bad, their lives are basically doing bad. And I want y'all to disconnect from that. Remove emotions out of investing. Remember, always only put in what you're willing to risk losing, and just be patient. Understand that it could take time. When you buy one of these assets, determine how long are you willing to hold it. Are you willing to hold it for only 1 month, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5, and if whatever you come up with, be prepared to go the distance with the project if necessary. So that's all. I just want to keep y'all on y'all toes, provide a little good news going on with Shiba Inu, some SHIB motivation for the people. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Check the links in the description section. If you want to check out some of the Shiba Inu merch, the merch store is the first link in the description section. You can cop a hoodie like this. You can get the hat. Also, a lot of other dope SHIB designs. My book is on Amazon. You can get the physical version, and I also have free stocks and crypto in the description section as well for y'all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.